Hi, I am Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. Today we will discuss how to use Boolean search on LinkedIn. LinkedIn Boolean search is a powerful feature that allows users to search for specific keywords and phrases on the platform using Boolean operators. Boolean operators are words or symbols that help to narrow or broaden a search query and includes these words like a, and, or, and not. For example, if you are a recruitment firm looking for a software engineer in New York, you can use Boolean search to find candidates with specific skills and qualification by using the following queries. For example, we have just a query. I just need a software engineer and that live in New York. And I'm just copying this formula, use quotation before the keyword. And now for example I am using, you can use a sales navigator and you can also use a LinkedIn simple search box. For example, I'm just putting here this formula, and now then you just need to click on people, and now you can see that software engineer that live in New York. So in this way you can find the people that are your target audience. And now you can see that software engineer that live in New York and that study from New York universities. And now you can see that. And now we will expand our search. This time we just need a software engineer and web developer. So we are writing this formula. This time we just need a software engineer and web developer. So we need to copy this formula and we can paste in LinkedIn search, just simple. And now you can see that different results, software engineer, and LinkedIn search will show only those person and only those titles that are written the software engineer and web developers. And now you can see that software engineer, and some people it will show that web developer. Now you can see that software engineer, and now you can see that. And if you want location, you can also set here the location. For example, I just need a people that are web developer or software engineer that belong to USA, and I am just selecting here the USA. And now you can see that LinkedIn search only show me software engineer or web developer that live in United States, and more keywords are also available. You can also select here the current company. You can also select here the connection, first degree connection, second degree connection, and third degree connections, and different more filters are available. So you can use these filters according to your requirement. And now you can see that different filters are available. And now we will more specific our search, and now this time we will just find not keyword. For example, we just need a just software engineer, not a Java developer. So we are just copying this formula, and this time we just need a people that are only software engineer, not a web developer. And now you can see that LinkedIn only show us only those keywords or only those people that are software engineer. And now you can see that, and it will not show the result of Java developers. And now you can see that you cannot find any Java developers here because we just put here the not. So in this way we can find the perfect audience. And if you have a sales navigator, and then I will tell you how you can find the people with the help of sales navigator. For example, my client is using the sales navigator. Just you need to click on your sales navigator, and then just click on lead filters, and from here you can select your normal search, normal filters, industries, geography. You can select according to your requirement. And now we just putting the Boolean search in job title. For example, this time same example, we just need a people that are software engineer or web developer. And you just need to put this formula in current job title. And now you can see that Sale Navigator only show those results that people are software engineer or web developers. And now you can see that. So you can more specific your search. You can select here the industry. You can select here the geography. For example, I just need a people from United States. So you just can include or exclude according to your requirement. And you can also select here the connections. You can also select here the industry. You can also select here the years of experience. You can also select here the groups, first name, profile, languages, different things are available. From here you can also select the functions according to your requirement. And now you can see that results are too long, and now you can see that too much people in your results. And when you are targeting the lead generation and you want a perfect lead generation, then just click on spotlights and try to target only active people. Normally active people are those people that regularly post on a LinkedIn. And now you can see that 790k, only 23k people are active. So for lead generation these people are perfect. For example, we are putting here another formula, software engineer. This time we don't need Java developers. So simply we can just copy this formula and then just paste in job titles. And now you can see the results. Sale Navigator only show you software engineer, and now Sale Navigator will not show you Java developers. And now you can see that. And now we are putting our third formula. Yeah, we just need a people that are software engineer and New York. We can also put a formula in search keywords. For example, we are just putting here, and you can also find the results. Now you can see that. So hope you understand about Boolean search of LinkedIn, and if you have any question or query related to this, then I am available here. Thank you very much.